Kumshi Bynta na ka Projek Corporate Social Responsibility Jongka ka Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited Neepco henne kasni kala Aiti ya ka wei kali ket Nongpang Shaka School Asha Jongka 58 GTC Happy Valley ka General Manager HR Jongka Neepco Corporate Social Responsibility ka Elbin Depika Dolly hakani kasni kala Aiti ya ka kali ket Nongpang Shaka Principal Jongka School ka Ipsita Coach ki wei pat Kirio Paukmat Kibalaya Donlang Hakani Kasni Kikentub Ya U 101 Area General Officer Commanding U Sanjay Malki but U Director Personnel Kanipko U Retired Major Rajesh Kumar Cha Haba Ajingkran U Director Kanipko Ula Ong Ba Kanipko Kakwa Bandan Bynta Ha Gijingkala Bat Wanra Jingkala Ha ke School Asha.
We have to do something for Asha School. And we were also convinced that more is less. Actually, I'm convinced that more is less. No matter how much you do, I think to my mind, it will always be less. So I think if we collectively put our combined might together, and which I can assure you that Neepco will do the heavy lifting for you.
Ka Society for Action in Community Health kala penlong ya